In this video, I'm going to explain the profile. When you get a new screen name and I give you a temporary password, if you want, you can make your create your own password that you would like to have, and you would click on profile. Now you see profile turns around and tells you right here the date registered, you know, what the screen name, how many per day, your member, and the last active, which I did this to make this video, and my email address there that I'm using. So you could go over here, and what I'm looking at is a summary, and there's the stats, you know, and there shows the posts, account related settings. On the account relating settings, this is where you can change your password. And if you have an email change, you can also change that. So anyway, you can see my screen name, and it can be changed too. Email address, where you want to show it or hide it from the public. Change password. Now you got to understand, when you change the password, it has to be a combination of 6 or more characters with a combination of letters, numbers, or symbols. And so you got to remember that. An example, if you were going to use soccer, you might go capital S and OCCER, soccer, well, I guess that's how you spell it. Then put down a symbol, pound key 12. And that would fulfill the requirements of a password, because they've changed over time. And you can see right here I have a secret question for me, you know, in my answer, and I already know what that is. So, for security reason, your current password is required to make changes to the account. So if I made changes, I have to get the current password. So if I were to change to a new password, then I had to put the temp password here, then click change profile. Now the other part in the your profile is form profile information. On this one here, you can find an avatar and post it up there. Like in mine, I have the picture of me in my Gunnar Gibbs, or you can put anything that they may have available for you right here. I don't think anybody's gonna be Cameron Diaz, but maybe Bruce Willis, or this gives an example, you know, or musicians, you know, look at that, and you can see that over here on the left, Bob Marley, yeah, or let's say Ditto. Just different examples. Jewel, you know, it might be whoever. When I don't think we're all women, they got to have some men here someplace. Museums, musicians, or now the next thing you can do, you could upload your own picture. By doing that, you would choose file, and then you would look in your computer a picture that you want to upload, so you could go to your different drives. In my case, I have quite a few here. I might go to my D drive, and I go to users, and I go to Murray's, and I might go 15th Med, and I would pick something out, a JPEG file, and let's just say I picked, I know I got it over here, I just don't know where. Picture, somehow I thought it was here it is, tet zip. I can't do that. I got to go back here again, choose file, and where I was, it was I'd have to open up the file again over here. And maybe I'd just go into pictures and find a picture. And you'd pick out a picture, and what could I pick out? I'm looking. And these are just pictures on my computer that I could pick out. I don't need a funny one, but here. Let's just say I'll pick out that police officer. Open. And now I have the police officer captured. And then what I would do, this got to get out of here. I would go and change profile. Now my personalized picture is right there, and it will go up when you send a message. It will go up when you come on. You'll see it in the left-hand corner. Now there is another thing in signature. Signature is a little different. It requires by typing the brackets over here, image brackets, right-hand slash, then a URL to where you want to look for a website, then another bracket, image bracket, and you'll get a picture. That's in the bottom. And I think you previously seen when I had done the Gunner Mad or Gunner Gibbs, my signature. But anyway, you would after you've done that, you would change a profile. You can add anything else you want in here too. If you have different, I guess, chat box, what they are. I don't use them. Click change chat. Basically, you've pretty well done what you want. You don't need to do all these other things. But that was what I wanted to tell you. So what happened when you change the signature, you can see, and you can see that picture that I did for Ted as a police officer. I'm going to change that later on. When you click on this, you can look. Here's me as my admin. There's a picture versus the pictures up there. And then here's my signature I was telling you about. And there's a way to do it, but you're better off sending me a picture you want. And I do it because it's going to be very difficult. I'd probably have to type things in to show you. All right, that's basically your profile. If you have any questions, make sure to email about that. This concludes this video.